How to turn off public figure on Facebook? For that, let's head into the profile of our Facebook page. Just tap on the person like icon at the top of the screen inside the circle. Then you'll get access to this page where you can see the public figure is shown on this page of our Facebook. So in order to turn off this public figure on Facebook, you can just tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. Scroll down and go to page details, which is under audience and visibility. You have to tap on edit on the category option here and you can choose any category which is not the public figure. So let's tap on artist and tap on save button. Now let's go back from here, and when you refresh the profile you can see the page has turned on the artist of your details. So in this way you can easily turn off public figure on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.